How's it going, everyone, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a unboxing of the new Instant Pot I just got during Black Friday. This is the Duo80, the second version, and I got this at Amazon for about 70 bucks. I think the next closest price for an 8-quart was the Luxe version for, I think it was 60. Okay, so I mean, I decided to go with this one because from what I understand, and you can correct me in the comments below if I'm wrong, the Duo model has the yogurt function and it can do both high and low pressure. I figured for the extra 10 bucks it was worth the upgrade. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take everything out of the box and then just go over each piece. Now, one thing, if you're on the fence about getting one of these, I mean, one of the things I learned as I was looking at this, if you look at the top, you probably can just barely see it. It goes over the different functions like saute, fast cooker, slow cooker, and yogurt maker. Now, you can see these in any website. It'll tell you, what these will do. But what it didn't say is at what temperatures these will do. So I'm just going to go around and just show you, and hopefully you can read that. And once again, it's just me and the iPhone. Shaky cam will happen. Alright, and I just noticed this when I got it the other day. So without further ado, I'm going to take out all the pieces and we'll get going. So the first thing that I'm going to show is just the quick reference guide. It looks like this will work with a couple of different versions of the unit. Okay, I'm not going to go too detailed with this, but you can see the different settings or the signals that it'll show you on the screen depending on what you're doing. And then next it comes with the user's manual, which is a pretty decent sized manual. It's, you got English and French version, okay, as normal, and then right under it you've got a recipe book, and it's a pretty decent sized recipe book, and looks like this one's English. I could be wrong, I will check it later. You get the rack, which I've seen in other different videos. I like this rack because I can put different meats here and then just grab it from the handles, and it's just an easier way to pick everything up. Or dishware, like, I don't know, Corningware or Pyrex or something. You've got the measuring cup, pretty standard with most cookers. The condensation collector, sorry, I have to say that twice, goes into the back for the excess liquid. And you get 2 different ladles. Okay, obviously you get the cooker, the lid, of course, and you can see the red pin, and the venting and release. Pretty much just said the same thing, but you get what I'm saying. And what I like about it is you got the handles, which depending on you, I'm not going to do it now because I have it in an unstable spot. This is a lid holder, either side you want to do it. My favorite thing is the stainless steel inner pot, and it has, looks like the max fill line, 2/3 full. They mostly do. The other pressure cookers that I have always been like that non-stick type inner pot. I hate those because they scratch like crazy. Anyone that's ever had them, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, stainless steel it is. It's pretty good size. And then when you look at the control panel, I don't have it plugged in yet, but pretty standard control panel. I mean, you've got your soup and broth, obviously, meat and stew, bean and chili, poultry. You got your slow cook function, saute, which what I showed earlier, I think goes up to like 400 degrees. That'd be great for sauteing your meats, like stew meat, stuff like that. Pressure level, high or low, delay start. So if you want to just put the food in and have it cook at a later time. Let's say you're at work. Keep warm, self-explanatory. After it's done cooking, that's where it is. You could cancel the mode. Pressure cook yogurt. That's one of the functions that I was looking for. Steam, porridge, multigrain, and rice. And then you have a closer look at the control panel here. So you have the plus and minus if you wanted to go manual. Gives you an idea where it's at with the less, normal, more. And of course it's got the branding right on top of it. So pretty standard stuff. So just to give a size comparison of the other two pressure cookers that I have one on either side of it. So to my left, I have a 6-quart Emo Legacy that I got at QVC about 4 or 5 years ago. Still works pretty well. Very basic controls, you know, compared to the Instant Pot. Still a pretty good size. This is a pretty popular size, 6-quart. And like I just said a moment ago, still used to this day. And then to my right, you guys have been seeing this more in my more recent videos, which is the 4-quart Cook's Essentials. And if I can give a wide shot, which is going to be hard because I don't have that much room in my kitchen. I have an island that I'm leaning against, so sorry. Gives you a pretty good idea. But to me, this 8-quart is a beast. I mean, my goodness. I've seen people on YouTube put whole turkeys in here, turkey breasts, bunch of ribs. I mean, huge portions of food, which is my whole point with getting this. So I cannot wait to really play with this. So on the next video, I'm going to do the water test and we'll see how that goes. So if you like this video, I would appreciate a like, maybe subscribe. And like I said, Instant Pot, man, good stuff. Have a good one, guys.